This is Delta Launch Control, T-minus 4 minutes in holding. We have 20 minutes remaining in this built-in hold. Once we come out of the hold, the Phoenix spacecraft will go on to internal power. Picking up the countdown now in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, T-minus 4 minutes and counting.
Internal transfer.
Vehicle now going to internal power. Once we have liftoff, we'll be switching to the telemetry lab here at Hangar AE and listening to our telemetry engineer, Mark Levine, providing the data as it comes in from downrange.
Board 1 2 arm.
Board 1 and 2 arm. Complete.
SSE, perform third stage internal transfer.
Active TM and transmitter internal. Transmitter external power off. TM external power off. Complete.
T-minus 3 minutes.
OSM, third stage SNA arm permit closed.
Closed.
SSE, third stage SNA arm.
Arm on.
Prop 1, vehicle fuel tank press open.
Open.
Prop 1, fuel umbilical purge open.
Open.
FSE, BAT 1 heater control exit.
Exit.
FSE, BAT 2 heater control exit.
Exit.
NSE, report spacecraft is go.
Go Phoenix.
T-minus 2 minutes.
SSE,
2 minutes to
FTS
launch.
BAT 1 and 2 heaters off.
Off.
Prop 1, pressurized first stage locks tanks to relief.
Pressurizing. 110 seconds.
LCDR, pad A deck flush on.
On.
Prop 2, top first stage tank locks to 100% levels.
Topping to 100%. Seconds.
SSE, hydraulic external power on.
External.
80 seconds.
RCO, report range go for launch.
Range go.
CLCDR, you are go for launch.
Roger.
70 seconds.
SSE, hydraulics internal.
Internal.
T-minus 1
60
minute.
seconds.
1 minute to the launch of the Phoenix Mars lander.
Conditions, T-minus 60 seconds on.
On.
45 seconds.
CLCDR, LC-17 launch enabled to flight.
100% launch.
Flight.
ATC-3, main power disable on.
On. 35 seconds.
Hydraulics go.
30 seconds.
30 seconds away from the liftoff. The ignition sequence will begin at T-minus 2.5 seconds. T-minus 20 seconds now. 15 seconds. Locks topping in work. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Main engine start. 2, 1, 0. And liftoff of the Delta II rocket with Phoenix, a distant science outpost seeking clues of the evolution at the polar region of Mars.
The vehicle is responding.
Both verniers in the main engine chamber pressures looking good. Passed our peak chamber pressure in the solid motors, and we're seeing the normal levels of disturbances as we go approach Mach 1. Correction, we're past Mach 1. We're supersonic. Solid motor is beginning to taper off. We've passed max Q. First stage performance looking good. 5 miles in altitude. Solid motor burnout. Air start ignition. And solid motor jettison. Ground starts have been jettisoned and the air start motors are up and running, climbing up to their peak chamber pressures. We see the normal amounts of disturbances in the roll axis at solid motor jettison. Coming up on T plus 90 seconds. Both verniers and the main engine chamber pressures are still strong. The vehicle is now 17 miles altitude. First stage systems continue to look good. We're approaching solid motor burnout. Solid motor burnout. And jettison. Got a good jettison. All 3 air start motors have left the vehicle, and we've initiated our LOX tank relief reset. LOX tank top pressure increasing as expected. Main engine and verniers continue to burn well. Coming up on T plus 160 seconds. The vehicle is now 34 miles altitude. And my downrange distance and velocity don't appear to be working on the ground computer. All I have is altitude. Vehicle body rates are very smooth at this time. Coming up on T plus 195 seconds into the mission. First stage systems continue to look good. LOX tank top pressure continues to rise slowly, and our main engine and vernier chamber pressures are solid. Vehicle body rates are normal, and the vehicle is climbing in altitude, running right down the center of the range track. T plus 240 seconds. Our next event will be a MECO coming up in about 20 seconds. We have a range liftoff time of 09 hours, 26 minutes, 34.596 seconds. We have our float switches and have enabled MECO. There's MECO. The verniers continue to burn well under chamber pressure, under tank pressure, I'm sorry. VECO. We've separated the stages. And ignited the second stage. Coming up on T plus 300 seconds. Vehicle rates looking normal.